San Francisco is a rush.
San Francisco is a rush.
A rush of art, flavors, history, and innovation.
A rush of arts, flavors, history, and innovation.
It's all packed into a 7x7 mile square
It's all packed into a 7x7 mile square
between the Pacific Ocean and the San Francisco Bay.
Between the Pacific Ocean and the San Francisco Bay.
San Francisco is a rush.
San Francisco is a rush. San Francisco is a rush of arts, flavors, history, and innovation. It's all packed into a 7x7 mile square between the Pacific Ocean and San Francisco Bay.